Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad. In this video, we're gonna go over everything that's wrong with our 2015 Audi S3. They just opened up a new Quack car wash, free car washes, so let's go see what we can do about a free car wash. Going through. Quick Quack for the win on the free car wash. Need a vacuum? Yeah, let's do a quick vacuum. There's this crazy rattle right here behind the seat. I can hear it. It's pretty bad. I think it's actually in the seat itself. Alright, we're going to give a rundown of everything that's wrong with the exterior of the vehicle. So, we have some chips here. This front section of the bumpers, pretty scratched up and mangled up. Looks like someone tried to hit some touch-up paint on it. So yeah, just with 132,000 miles, you get a lot of rock chips and stuff like that. Headlights are starting to fade a little bit here on both sides, which is pretty common with you know, plastic headlights. They start to fade, so we get those cleaned up. Most of the wheels have some curb rash. That one's actually not too bad. This one is good. We got some exterior scratches on the back bumper, pretty gnarly gouge right there, but it's not terrible, it's just noticeable. And this wheel is the worst, so it's got really good scratch and ding there on the face of this one here. And this one's not too bad. A couple small nicks. But other than that, the exterior is in really good shape. So let's go inside here. Start it up, and start button's peeling pretty good. Get a little nice edge right there, so I have to put the start button in. This trim's kind of waffling up a little bit. It's pretty common for these trims. Airbag light is on. It's the pods mat right here inside the seat, so we'll need to replace that. I think somebody's sitting in it, so the seatbelt light is on all the time. And the EPC and check engine light come on and off. We got multiple things there that we will address. Handle is peeling pretty good here on the driver's door, so it's getting a sharp edge. It's kind of a bummer because it'll definitely cut you if you're not careful. Well, there are a few things with the car that we need to address. With the mileage it has, you know, you're going to see some of that. All in all, it's been a really good car so far, and we're very, very excited to have this as part of the Get fleet. Check engine light. I fixed one thing already, which was the camshaft adjustment solenoid for the exhaust camshaft on cylinder 4. So it was throwing a fault for that. I put a new solenoid in it, so everything's good there. It has a fault for the cooling system performance, but it is not the usual thermostat performance. It's a code that basically says that there's an issue with the flow in the cooling system. And I know that's not true because the cooling system flows great. The bottle has a ton of flow, everything's good there. I think what's going on is one of the temp sensors is acting up. So I gotta go in and diagnose that. And it's also setting a fault for the wastegate actuation motor assembly. And it is a range performance fault. So inside the motor, there's sensors that actuate the wastegate. Like the motor that actuates the wastegate, there's sensors inside that know which position it's in. So whether it's full closed or full open or in between, that sensor's starting to malfunction, and that's where we're getting the fault. So probably end up replacing that assembly, which is not too bad to do. You got to do it under the car, so that's kind of a pain. But you basically unbolt it from the turbo, bolt the new one in, set the adjustment for the wastegate actuator itself to keep the wastegate, you know, open the right amount when it's at the basic settings point. So we'll use the scan tool for that. And yeah, we'll get all that taken care of. So this car does drive really, really well. And we did do a dyno video. See, can't even talk about the car without it getting pissed at us. So let's go ahead and plug this seatbelt in real quick. All right, there we go. So we did do a dyno video with the car. If you haven't checked it out, I'll put the link to it up here in one of the cards. It did very well. It did very well. So make sure to check that video out. But it does drive really good. EPC light just popped on, so that's because of the wastegate actuator, like we were talking about. You know, aside from a few rattles, you know, the one in this seat right here that I just showed you, and you know, I can't really say much else. No, this car is awesome. So it's really fun to drive. Melissa loves driving it, so that's a huge plus. You know, she can enjoy driving this car. She hasn't been able to drive any cars that I've tuned, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm really excited about tuning this car and kind of seeing where we can take it as far as the you know, the S3 Golf R platform, and you know, transferring that over to the Mark 7 GTI. And just you know, being the two-wheel drive version, it's not going to be as crazy as the Golf R S3, but you know, it'll still be really fun. And yeah, it's been awesome. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see done with this S3, and also subscribe to the channel, because it is growing, which is awesome. I mean, we're, you know, creeping up on 5,000 subscribers, and you know, the channel direction has been awesome, and I'm super stoked that you guys are watching the videos, because it's fun making them. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.